Hi YouTube. In today's video we are going to be talking about my recently purchased Chanel Square Mini. I was about to call this the rectangular, but it's the Square Mini. And this is in a peach pink color. And in me looking at the details for this bag, it has the, I guess, gold hardware, light gold hardware, I would consider it. And I didn't realize when I purchased this bag, I knew it was a 2021 bag, but this bag does still have the retail tags attached to it. And you can't see that because it's pretty small, but this is from the 21P collection. And the bag does state that it is the light pink color, okay? This bag is very gorgeous, as I've shown before. The inside's all leather. I still have the tag on the bag. If you're like me, when you get something new, I don't remove the tag until I'm gonna wear the bag. So, or even clothes, anything new that I have, I typically keep it in the same condition until I wear it. But I have my Coach Bowery bag right here. And I'll link the video where I did like a review on this bag, or I did an unboxing rather. I don't think I've ever really done a review on this. I'll open it up and show you what the inside looks like. It has that burgundy leather interior, and it does come with a chain. Pretty long chain. This chain does allow me to wear this bag crossbody. I'm going to be doing a little mini comparison to these because I know in the past I did do a mini comparison without this bag. When I bought this, I considered this bag to be like a dupe of this bag. And so for anyone who has this bag or can find this bag, this is the Coach Bowery bag. This bag does come in like several different colors and different things like that in terms of material. There is a very similar bag on Coach's website right now called the Mini, I think Marin bag. I'll have to put the picture up for you all to see that. But they do have another version of this bag. It's not exactly similar, but it is pretty much the newest version of this bag. This bag is from 2016. Okay, so there you see these bags side by side. This color is what I would consider like a blossom pink. It's showing up a little light on camera because I have a ring light that's right here kind of flashing on it, but I will turn that off so you can see the color in that. Side by side comparison. Here's the bottom. And the Marlin bag is very similar to this one. It's actually the exact same bag, except it doesn't have a chain strap, and the material on the inside is not leather like this. It is a fabric material. And I wanted to show you all the chain straps on these bags here. The Coach one is has a little bit more room, and I'll lower this so you can kind of see. Maybe a little hard to see that. This is the extra room that it has. One of the things that I was shocked when I opened this bag, I thought it would be a little bit more like pink, a rosier, richer type of pink, and not a light pink. When I opened the bag, I was looking at it and I was thinking to myself, it's peach. I wouldn't consider this a pink bag. I would honestly consider this peach, really. If I had to give it a color, it would be peach for me. It wouldn't be pink, okay? But I wanted to show you all this bag and give you a little bit more information about this bag. Will I keep this bag? I'm not really sure. I think I have a few more days before I can return it. I did find another bag on Fashionphile's site that is more of the colorway that I was wanting. It's more of a rosier pink, and I'll do an unboxing of that. One of the things that kind of is turning me off from keeping this bag, when I bought this bag, Fashionphile was not running a sale. I paid, how much did I pay for this bag? Total with tax, this bag cost me $5,100 and something dollars. I'll put the exact numbers on the screen so you can see how much this bag cost me. It was almost $5,200, and I understand when you buy on Fashionphile that the prices will be more expensive just because they're going to charge you an upcharge for just buying from their site versus from the boutique. This was listed for like 40, I want to say 48, something like that when I first saw it. And I had been looking for a pink bag. Their pink bags sell out really fast, and I wanted to try to get me one. And so I just went on ahead and just pulled the trigger kind of out of haste because I had seen the other bags just selling at like $5,000, and this one, it finally went on sale for like 5%. So I just jumped on it because I didn't want to miss the opportunity to buy it. And I figured I could always return it if push come to shove. But in seeing it in person and seeing the color, I realized that I much preferred my Coach. I have to say I much prefer my Coach bag over this one. Mainly because I can't wear this as a crossbody, and I need something where I can crossbody it. This is not a bag that I would typically carry as a shoulder bag, and I have tried to put this on my shoulder and change it out with different outfits. If I carry this bag, I have to hold it like this the entire time if I carry it. It doesn't matter what I'm wearing. You can see now this is going to slide off my shoulder. If I walk casually, this will slide off. So I would have to walk with holding this bag like this. It's not something I would want to do unless I knew I was going like a short distance. You know, I was going to eat. But this is not something, I wouldn't grab this bag first, pretty much. And so, and just me realizing what I paid for the bag, I'm not sure this is worth keeping. I would rather have my Coach one. And again, I have already found another bag on Fashionphile's site that is more of the pink color that I want. It's a lot darker, so I feel a little bit more comfortable with wearing this and not worrying about getting color transfer on the back of this bag, because as you all know, this thing is it'll be a magnet for color transfer, okay? And so I don't want the issue of dealing with getting any color on this. It's a beautiful bag, but the cons of this bag, it was too pricey, and I am really worried about color transfer getting on the back of this bag, and then this bag really just won't stay on my shoulder. You know, I don't want to have to walk around with this bag holding it like this. So I've decided to return this, and again, I will do an unboxing next, or not probably next, but I will do an unboxing showing what I replaced this bag with very shortly. So that's my thoughts on this bag, my initial review of this bag. And if you have any questions about this bag, definitely leave it in my comment. Tell me what you all think of this bag. Is this something that you would purchase? Would this color deter you from it? Would the price tag deter you? Because I know the price tag, it was and is still an issue for me at $5,200 when I know I can get something else for the same, you know, for the same price, and I would probably carry it a lot more. So just, what are you all thoughts on this? All right, that is my video on this Chanel Square Mini. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alrighty, bye.